Are you ready to skyrocket your business growth? Because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to identify low competition but high volume keywords that you can use to target for your business to drive tons of relevant traffic to your business of people who are interested in potentially buying your product and convert them into leads for your services, your products, and more. And I'm going to show you how to do this. It's simple and easy. If you have no technical experience, no SEO experience, don't worry. I'm going to break this down simple and straightforward and share my screen in just a second so you know exactly what to do. But first, why does this matter and why does this strategy work so well? Well, if you've seen my other blogs and seen the way I've skyrocketed traffic for my businesses and my personal blog, you're going to know that when you find low competition, high volume keywords, what does that mean? It means, hey, there's not a lot of people trying to rank for these keywords, but there's a lot of people searching for these things. And when you get the right ones and ones that are relevant to people who, hey, maybe are in the market to buy whatever you offer, and you create content that targets those keywords, it draws in tons and tons of traffic from the internet that's relevant to potentially buying from your business. So I'm going to show you quick and easy how I use SEMRush to find these keywords, and then stay tuned because I'll direct you to the right places to go so that you can actually target these keywords the right way and get traffic for your business. So let me break this down for you. Okay, first thing that you do is you go into SEMrush and you go to the keyword magic tool. And I just search candles. Why did I search candles? Because there's a lot of independent candle shops. There's a lot of people who create candles and make Shopify stores. So, hey, you just hit the jackpot if you own a candle store and you're trying to do this. But for everybody else, what you put in there is you just search your product. So search whatever product it is that you're trying to sell more of, to help you get the keyword ideas, right? Because you want to target things related to your product or service. So I'm just going to put in candles. Now, the first two things I'm going to do is use these filters here. You can see there are tons and tons of searches for candles. That's why it's such a good market in so many businesses. You've got your keyword difficulty here, which tells you how hard it is to rank. The higher the number, the harder it is to rank for that keyword. Then you see the volume. This is how many people are searching for those things. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here and I'm going to just click on very easy to rank for at first. All right. So it's going to filter out my results to just the ones that are very easy to rank for, which is exciting. And then I'm going to go over here to volume. And now I can choose any volume level that I want here. So I'm going to actually go in here from the 1,000 to 10,000 searches a month. And now you can see when I do that, all of these keywords that come up that have low keyword difficulty, so they're green, your chance to start ranking for the new pages is very easy, right? So that's really good news for us. And then you can see the volume here associated with these keywords. So what you would do then is you would create content that targets these, and that's mostly usually in the form of blogs. Check out my other videos. I'll put the link in the description with how to use AI blog generators, especially a tool like TryJournalist. I'll put the link to that in the description below to set up blogs specifically targeting these keywords that are excellent blogs to help you rank. But now you can go through and you can see high volume, low keyword difficulty keywords for whatever your product is that you can create content that sucks in a ton of relevant traffic and helps you grow your business. Hope you liked this video. If you did, hit that like and subscribe. Leave me a comment if you have any questions. Thanks so much for joining me and stay tuned because now let's talk about more ways that you can capitalize on this knowledge to grow your business. See you in the next video.